We're here at Lake Simtustus here in Central Oregon. Pulled over this little lookout zone where we can look down on this gorgeous lake. Oh, this is beautiful. We're here at Pelton Park here in Central Oregon. This is Lake Simtustus. And let's go take a look at the dock. Oh, this is gorgeous. Big, beautiful dock, paved, suitable for most boats. And rules say no fishing or swimming from the docks. Well, it's winter, and I wasn't going to swim anyway, but we will, of course, honor that. And look at this. This is beautiful. This is gorgeous. Beautiful Lake Simtustus. See a lot of bays here for you to dock. This is gorgeous. And look at this. The beautiful Lake Simtustus. Oh, look at this. This is gorgeous, my friends.